Dear students, welcome to Edu Allrounder channel. Today we are going to see the objective type questions on chapter Social and Religious Reformation Movements. One caste, one religion and one God. For the human beings was the idea of dash. I will tell you the answers at the end. Just think about the answer. Rajaram Mohan Rai learnt dash and dash to read Bible in its original form. Which languages Rajaram Mohan Rai learnt to read Bible in its original form? A journal named Samvada Kaumudi was published by. A journal named Samvada Kaumudi was published by dash. The Anglo-Oriental College was established at. The Anglo-Oriental College was established at dash. Back to Vedas was declared by dash. Back to Vedas was declared by dash. Governor General dash brought in law prohibiting sati system in 1829. Which Governor General brought law prohibiting sati system? Dash movement was started by Henry Louis Vivian Derozio. Which movement he started? Just remember. Arya Samaj was started by. Very easy question. Arya Samaj was started by. Dash was founded by Dr. Atma Ram Pandurang. Dash was founded by Dr. Atma Ram Pandurang. Gulamgiri and Shetkarayacha Aushud were written by. Ramakrishna Mission was founded by dash. Very easy questions. Ramakrishna Mission was founded by dash. Periyar started an association called dash. Periyar started an association called dash. Narayan Guru and his companions started dash in 1924. Narayan Guru and his companions started dash in 1924. Annie Besant translated dash to English. Annie Besant translated dash to English. Annie Besant was also called as dash. Annie Besant was also called as dash. Home Rule League in 1916 was started by dash. Home Rule League in 1916 was started by dash. Ramakrishna Paramahansa was worshipper of dash. Was worshipper of dash. Dash was started to protect cows. Dash was started to protect cows. Gurukul Vidyalaya was started in dash. Gurukul Vidyalaya was started in dash. Dash has called Rajaram Mohan Rai as the harbinger of modern India, progenitor of Indian social reformation movement and the prophet of Indian nationalism. Who praised Rajaram Mohan Rai like this? Satyashodhak Samaj was founded by dash. Derozio served as a professor at dash of Calcutta from 1826 to 1831. Derozio served as a professor at dash of Calcutta from 1826 to 1831. Annie Besant ran periodicals called dash and dash. Annie Besant ran periodicals called dash and dash. Ramaswamy also called dash. Ramaswamy also called dash. Periyar led a movement called dash. Periyar led a movement called dash. Now we will see the answer. The answer to the first question is Sri Narayana Guru. Sri Narayana Guru. Narayana Guru. Rajaram Mohan Rai learnt dash and dash to read Bible in its original form. The answer is Hebrew, Hebrew and Greek. Hebrew and Greek. A journal named Samvada Kaumudi was published by Rajaram Mohan Rai. Rajaram Mohan Rai. Rajaram Mohan Rai. The Anglo-Oriental College was established at Aligarh. At Aligarh. Back to Vedas was declared by Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati. You all people know the spelling, I think. Governor General Dash brought in law prohibiting sati system. William Bentinck. William Bentinck. William Bentinck. Dash movement was started by Henry Louis Vivian Desrozier. Dash movement was started by Henry Louis Vivian Desrozier. Which movement? Young Bengal movement. Young Bengal movement. Bengal, I will write here, movement. Young Bengal movement. Arya Samaj was started by, very easy question, Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati. Dayanand Saraswati. Dash was founded by Dr. Atmaram Pandurang. Prarthana Samaj. Prarthana Samaj. Prarthana Samaj. Gulamgiri and Shetkaryacha Aushud were written by Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule. Ramakrishna Mission was founded by, where is the question? Swami Vivekanand. Swami Vivekanand. You all know the spelling. Swami Vivekanand. Periyar started an association called Dravida Kalagam. Dravida. In your book they have given spelling like this. Kalagam. In some books they have given Kazhagam. Kajagam. Here they have given Dravida Kalagam. Narayan Guru and his companions started dash in 1924. That is Vaikom movement. Vaikom movement started Wycombe movement. Wycombe movement. Wycombe movement. Then Annie Besant translated Bhagavad Gita to English. Bhagavad Gita to English. Bhagavad Gita to English. Annie Besant was also called as Shweta Saraswati. Shweta Saraswati. Shweta Saraswati. Home Rule League in 1916 was started by Annie Besant. Started by, here spelling is there, started by Annie Besant. It is A, I think. Annie Besant. Started by Annie Besant. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa was a worshipper of Kali. Was a worshipper of Kali. Dash was started to protect cows. Cow protection associations. Cow protection associations. You know the spelling of association. Associations. Gurukula Vidyalaya was started in Haridwara. Started in Haridwara. Dash has called Rajaram Mohan Rai as the harbinger of modern India, progenitor of Indian social reformation movement and the prophet of Indian nationalism. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore. Satyashodhak Samaj was founded by Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule. Derozier served as a professor at Dash of Calcutta from 1826 to 1831. Hindu College. There was Hindu College. Hindu College. Annie Besant ran periodicals called New India and Commonwealth. New India and Commonwealth. Commonwealth. Ramaswamy also called Periyar. Periyar means senior. Periyar led a movement called Self-Respect Movement. Which movement? Self-Respect Movement. This completes the objective type question of this lesson. Watch our channel continuously and regularly. Those who have not subscribed, subscribe and tell your friends also. I will meet you again with another interesting video. Thank you for watching.